Let's do a simple modeling for beginners. See, this is a kind of valve body. See, this is a brass material. Now we will see how to create or model this in SolidWorks with the help of some basic features. Now let's see, this is the drawing. See, this is the front view, then there is bottom view, and there is a section view A, oh sorry, B. See, this is the section view, and there is a section view A, this one. And this is the side view of bottom view, okay? So we will start with front view. Front view, you will see this pipe. We will create this pipe, diameter how much? 40. And if you see 60 outer, inner radius 20. So center one, you will see okay, diameter already there. Center distance. If you see side view, this is square. Thickness 8 millimeter. If you see this pipe side view, see 60 millimeter from including this thickness. 60 millimeter corner radius, we are going to keep 40 in center. And the thickness, you will see in section view, the hollow shape diameter 30 millimeter, means this is the internal diameter, this is the external diameter, okay? Then we will create this base flange. This base flange diameter 105, and this diameter how much? Let's see, where 80, okay? Then corner radius R8, this is connected here, and see the angle 30. And at this point, the pipe is allocated. Which pipe? You will see this pipe. Height, you will see 80 millimeter. Diameter is same, 40 millimeter. This hole 30 millimeter. We will see how to make. Now, front plane sketch. Let me activate here line tool and start with origin, vertical and horizontal. Now, if you see outside to outside 143 millimeter. This one 60, 143. Apply here fillet and make it radius 40 millimeter. Okay, and cancel. Simply exit and apply swift boss base feature. Now here circular pattern, diameter how much? 40. But there is this is hollow, this is a kind of pipe. So apply thin feature. Now wall thickness keep 5 millimeter and make it inside. See, apply. Look, let me do one thing. Make it material brass so it looks okay. If you see inside diameter, see diameter 30 at bottom. Okay. Now let me select top plane, sketch. Activate circle. Let's draw here two circle. 1, 2. Activate center line. Connect this point to this point and draw one horizontal line for reference purpose. Let's start to define. 91, 105, 80. Okay. And the most important angle 30 degree. Activate line. Now connect this circle to this circle. Keep cursor. Once you see tangent symbol, click and apply. Right click, select and end. I am going to choose here trim entity, power trim. Press and hold left mouse and drag. See, drag. We have one close profile. Okay. Here choose sketch fillet. Radius keep 8 millimeter and select these two edges. You will see here, apply, cancel. Now we have one close body, but we have to make inlet of pipe. So draw two circles at both end and both diameter is same. 30 millimeter. Okay. Now select, hold shift key, select both circle, apply equal constraint. Apply extruded boss base feature. I want to add material here. Now see, material flow keep upside. Keep end condition blind. See the 10 millimeter. Keep merge result. If you unmerge, there will be it will converted into two body. Say okay. See, two body. So merge result. Okay. Now only one body. Okay. And one more thing. Let's show apply plane. First reference, select this. Second reference, select the center point of this. See, because pipe going to create in between. Okay. Select plane 1 sketch, activate line. Start with center, make it vertical, then go back and see the line is converted into arc. Drop, rotate and place at center. Normal view, make this one vertical. Point tangent. If you see 80 millimeter dimension. Now how you will do this? Again, I am going to apply the same thing. Swift boss base feature, circular profile, diameter 40. See, apply here thin feature. 5 millimeter reverse. See, okay. Now let me do one thing. Let's click and hide this sketch. Plane 1 section view. Okay. See, but inside there are too many things. We have to delete those all things. Okay. Hide plane. Let me do one thing. Front plane section view. Okay. Go to direct editing. Delete faces. Here delete and patch. Okay. Let's see what we can select these two inside. Select this face. This face. Apply. See, this is deleted, but still there is a one, this portion we need to delete. So again, we have to use some same kind of, let me show this sketch, this path. Go to swift cut, choose here circular profile, keep diameter 30. For path, choose this one. See, apply, done. Choose plane 1, section view. Okay. See, this is what we need. Complete circular this side. Okay. Again, choose front plane, section view. Okay. See, this is perfect shape we done. Hide this sketch. Okay, let's create this square. This is the 60 by 60. Then there are 4 holes, 8 diameter, 4 corners, 8. And this location exactly center of this corner fillet, 44, 44. And thickness you will observe from here, 8 millimeter, come down, and 3 millimeter offset from here. Select this face, sketch, activate center rectangle, escape, and press and hold the left mouse and select both edges. horizontal. Smart dimension 60. Even we can apply radius here or letter. It's not a big deal. So I want to apply separately so that we will see what the procedure going to do. I'm going to select this outer circle, convert entity. So you don't need to draw. See, extrude. Thickness, how much? Keep blind, 8 millimeter. Offset, 3 millimeter. Make it reverse. This is also make it reverse. Now you will see. See, okay. Look, fillet. Apply here constant type, symmetric, and radius apply 8 millimeter. If you choose one, it will show you this option. So select first one. It will select all edges simultaneously. Okay. Now hole wizard. I want to apply hole here. So the third option, see hole, ISO standard drill size, and choose here's hole size. And choose up to next. Don't go through all, otherwise it will cut all body. Next is perfect. Position. Select the face. Now place at center point of this corner because this is exactly located. Second, keep cursor on edge. It will show you center point. Okay. Let's check. See, this is how it's going to cut only up to the next face. Done. Okay, let's make this hole, this 8 diameter hole. There are total 8 holes. See the position. And this one also vertical. Pitch circle diameter 65. And here, how much? 90. Select this face, sketch. Let me activate circle. First one, make construction. And here also place construction. Now in this case, select vertical, and in this case make it like this. Okay. Smart dimension 90 millimeter, 60, and this one 8 millimeter. Okay. Now apply here circular sketch pattern. Now here come down, pattern to entity, select this hole. Now here in parameters, you have to select the center point. Select this center point. See point 2. 360 equal space between two circle. How many circles? 8. Apply. Look. Similarly do this side. Activate linear circular pattern. At bottom, let me choose circle. And for center, choose this point. 360 equal space and 8 number of holes. Yes. Look. 8 holes created. Go to feature, apply extruded cut. I want to remove material. See the arrow goes down. Now here either choose blind and apply thickness or simply choose through all. Yes. And here we done. Okay. Let me change some. Okay. Okay. If you see section view, let's make this portion. Angle 135. See, there is a 74 diameter, depth 4 millimeter. We have to remove material. Then we have to make this one. Height 20, angle 135. And this inside wall is parallel to outside. Then this all radius R4. This is the only thing we have to do. Select back, sketch, activate circle, and let's draw 74 diameter circle. Apply extruded cut and make depth only 4 millimeter. Here choose blind, apply length, depth for 4, front plane sketch. Now here we have to add extra wall, connect here, here, here and here, and draw one center line. Make sure this is construction line. Let's define few important thing. 135 and height 20. Now I want to add material here. So in circular direction, so there is a feature called revolve boss base. Now in this case, you have to choose axis of revolution. So this is the line. You will see preview. By default angle applied 360, merge result. Yes. Look. Now again front plane sketch. Let's see section view. Okay. Okay, this looks. Now we have to remove material here. Line. Up to this line. Okay. Let's define this one 20. It's okay. Angle 135. Okay. Now make this line connect here, this point, and now not connected. Okay, let's define this. This diameter, how much inside diameter? 30. Divide by 2. This is the radius. See, this is fully defined sketch. Go to feature, apply revolve cut, because I want to remove material in circular direction. So you have to apply revolve cut feature. Now, first you have to select axis of rotation. See, this is the one. See the preview. By default angle 360. Yes. And here we go. See, this is the result we need, and done. See. Now all sketch fillets are 4 millimeter fillet, symmetric 4 millimeter, and let's check this edge. Let me select this edge and these two edges. I think we done. Look, this is how we do a simple exercise in SolidWorks. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.